Hey everyone, welcome to ITPK. In this quick video, I will show you how to download and install Twitch TV as an app on your Windows 11 PC or a laptop. Just open up your any browser. I will use Google Chrome in this example. Please type Twitch and press enter. Go to the Twitch website. On your right top of your Chrome browser, just click on these three dots and scroll down to the option Cast, Save and Share. Here you will find an option Install this page as an app. Just click over it and here you will find Install button. Just click on Install. Now this has installed Twitch TV as an app on your PC or laptop. Let's check it, close the browser as well, and here we see Twitch. Just double click over it and you will find Twitch as an app on your PC. If you want to do the same process in Microsoft Edge, on the right top corner, just click on these three dots, scroll down to More Tools, and then go to Apps, and here you will see an option Install this site as an app. Just click over it and again click on Install, and you will get Twitch TV on your PC. So that's it about today's quick video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like ITPK. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.